You go to apex court. We'll dismiss your petition. What nonsense? Yes.
Well, it's wide annexure P3, that is page 22.
Page
22 minutes.
22.
Yes, minutes.
Yes.
Well, they have stated that I could not, the appeal could not be maintainable because I have to pay 10% of that rent. This is what they have said, Millets. MP government.
Yes. Para 4.
Yes, Millets, para 4. May I read, Millets?
Yes.
प्रकरण में अपील आवेदन पत्र के ग्राह्यता हेतु सुनवाई की तिथि दिनांक 28/8/2023 नियत की गई। सुनवाई के समय अपीलार्थी के अधिवक्ता उपस्थित हुए तथा उनके द्वारा तर्क प्रस्तुत किए गए। सुनवाई के दौरान प्रस्तुत तथ्यों एवं तर्कों अभिलेखों का अवलोकन करने पर पाया गया कि अपीलार्थी द्वारा मध्य प्रदेश गौण खनिज नियम 1996 के नियम 60 के उपनियम 5 के हेतु संशोधन दिनांक 22/1/2021 के अनुसार बकाया राशि का 10% राशि जमा कर चालान की प्रति प्रस्तुत नहीं की गई। This is what the gazette notification is, which states that date is 22nd of January 2021. If Millets may permit, may I read the relevant point of that? In Rule 60, after Subrule 4, the following subrule shall be added, namely, that is Subrule 5. In such cases in which penalty has been imposed or amount of minerals dues remains for recovery, 10% of such amount shall be deposited in the head of the account as mentioned in Subrule 1. The challan of such deposit amount shall be attached with the appeal or revision application. Only after that appeal or revision application shall be admissible.
Correct.
Now, Millets, the first cause of action or the first impugned order that came on 18th of January 2021, Millets. Wide annexure P1, Millets.
How much is what is the limitation prescribed?
It's my
Limitation for filing an appeal.
Millets, I was within the limitation, Millets. Although that is.
I do not know. I just want to understand what is the period of limitation.
Millets.
So you have come here before division bench to argue a matter on admission.
I have come that the gazette notification is issued on 22nd of January. My impugned order has came on 18th of January, and this gazette notification remains silent on the retrospective effect. The retrospective effect.
What is the meaning of, what is the concept of retrospectivity or prospectivity? Which laws say these are the procedural laws? As on the date you file an appeal, these rules are applicable or not? So why first? Against which order you came before the appeal authority? You have said you referred to the order which against 19/12/22. Maybe, but the P1 got merged into the appellate order. Theory of merger, you understand or not? I am asking you, once an appellate order is passed, the original order gets merged into it or not? Then from which date would you reckon the period of limitation? For instance, your civil suit is dismissed on X date. Appeal preferred against that is dismissed on Y date. Second appeal in the High Court. From which date will you reckon the period of limitation? Y date or X date? X date? Appeal is dismissed, not the suit. Why? Because in appellate order, the original order gets merged. The reckoning of period of limitation shall be from the date your appeal is dismissed. That is 19/12/22. Now, what is the date of the amendment? Then this order was passed in December 22. Why that is rule not be applicable? What is P4? You better go to apex court. That will be better. Well, we cannot see the moment we try to understand the factual matrix, you people start saying apex court. You go to apex court. We'll dismiss your petition. What nonsense? You don't settle the facts, you jump to apex court. Apex court doesn't say anything on facts, it says everything on law. And every judgment apex court is not the law. Where they lay down the law, that is binding upon us. You don't settle the facts, you don't start the argument, and you refer to apex court. These are the hazards of these moot courts. Children start with Keshwanand Bharti without understanding the facts. Because all heads of your professors who train these children not to be ready on facts but to ready on law, and that too misguided law. Race for